Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Steam application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And if you are already logged into your account, you will directly be taken into the store page where you can see various different games. Now, if you wish to log out from your account, you can do this from two different locations. You can either click on your username at the top right corner and you will then see the sign out of account option. You can click on this option and you might be asked whether you are sure that you want to log out. Just confirm your decision and you will be logged out from your account on the Steam app. You may also click on the Steam icon at the top left corner, and within this page as well, you can click on the sign out button, which will log you out from your Steam account right away. Once you have been logged out, you will be taken back into the home page where you will see the login screen. You can once again use your email address and your password within this page if you wish to log back in to your Steam account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Steam application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.